Bryan with MarineMax Miami, and I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of our new 2023 29 SDX outboard. This boat is powered by twin 250 Mercury outboards. Starting at the swim platform, you have a submersible manual swim platform that folds out into the water. You have a large sun pad at aft, massive storage space underneath it. Walking into the cockpit, you have a huge U-shaped seating area with an outdoor Kenyan grill and the optional fridge. This also has a sink. Moving forward, this boat is powered or controlled by the JPO joystick by Mercury and has a Simrad electronic screen, Fusion stereo, and a really nice upgraded bathroom head unit. And you can tell moving forward, this has a huge bow area with a optional sun pad filler cushion to make this a full day bed for lounging out in the sun with the windlass anchor. This is a pretty much do-it-all 29 Sea Ray, fully optioned out. If you have any more questions, I'm Bryan from MarineMax Miami. Be happy to help.